Tonight will be like something out of a suspense novel, a dark and stormy night.
George is on the weather deck right now. Talk about how March is going to start with something we also haven't seen in a while here, George, snow.
That's absolutely correct. March coming in like a fish and then maybe a frozen fish later. Who knows? I like frozen fish sometimes. But tonight we've got the risk of severe weather, and that mainly will be to our south. 13 weather ball blinking bright because we have showers and thunderstorms again in sight. It's also blue, colder weather all day long in view. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Going to be a wet night. Showers by 7 o'clock here in Grand Rapids coming up from the south. Some showers and thunderstorms then throughout the evening through the 11 o'clock hour, tapering off to just showers by 2 a.m. That's when we'll reach our highest temperatures up closer to midnight, around 54, and then dropping to 47 by daybreak. Just a cloudy start to your day, but not far behind that, we will see some snow. Here's the setup. Low pressure system over Iowa is going to come tracking right along this warm front, pretty much overhead here tonight. South of that warm front is where the greatest risk for severe weather will be tonight. You can see already here in yellow, that's a tornado watch issued by the Storm Prediction Center. Means there is a favorable chance for severe weather here. And a couple of these storms are getting pretty strong down in northern Illinois. They are heading toward the Michigan-Indiana border and may creep up into extreme southern lower Michigan. But I think this is just going to blossom here over the next couple of hours. And as I mentioned, this is where the greatest risk for severe weather is. It's down over central Illinois and Indiana. We're again on just the very northeastern fringe of that. We'll probably not see a whole lot happen here other than some lightning and some thunder. We've already had some pea-sized hail, but you need 1-inch hail to verify with a severe thunderstorm. Otherwise, the damaging winds, again, down over portions of Illinois, Indiana, into Ohio, and the highest hail risk also down in this area. We're just on the very lowest end of the scale up here from about Grand Rapids south to the south and east. And even the greatest risk for tornadoes tonight are going to be south of Chicago. But this is going to be the battleground over the next 24 hours. Watch these storms as they come out here right around 7 o'clock. They do head up over southern lower Michigan. This right along here is right along I-94 and point southward at 11 o'clock. By 2 a.m., we'll see most of our showers starting to come to an end in Grand Rapids, but there'll be several waves along and south of I-94. You can see several hundredths of an inch of rain, maybe up to 2 inches here. As we get into the day tomorrow, watch around 7 o'clock in the morning, and then certainly by noon, we see those showers starting to develop, rain showers, and then by noon it changes over to snow, and we've got a snowy afternoon and evening, so it'll be a lot different in the morning than it will be for your commute. And then the snow abruptly comes to an end after about 11 o'clock tomorrow night, and we get clearing skies and partly cloudy conditions on Thursday, but you'll have a chance to shovel some snow here in West Michigan. But as far as rain, you can see right in here in the purples and reds, that's getting up to about 1.5 inches to maybe 2.5 inches of rain. Again, right along and just south of I-94. And in terms of snowfall, we're looking at quite a bit of snow way up here in the Traverse City area. This as much as 6 inches may fall here, and that will be late tomorrow into tomorrow night. Meanwhile, it tapers off very quickly, about 1 to 3 inches up here in Mason and Oceana counties northward. We'll see less than 1 inch here in the greater Grand Rapids area. For tonight, we're looking at showers and thunderstorms as temperatures eventually fall to about 34 up in Ludington to as warm as 45 in South Haven. Up north, falling to daybreak temperatures around 38 to as warm as 43. Again, you'll see showers and thunderstorms. And from Grand Rapids south, this is where the greatest risk for severe weather will be. Temperatures will be falling down into the mid to upper 40s. These are actually the daytime highs for tomorrow, falling to these readings by evening. After the snow ends early tomorrow night, as I mentioned, the sun will come out and it'll be virtually dry right on through the weekend. 31 on Friday, 44 Saturday, and 56 on Sunday. So if you don't want to shovel and plow, it'll eventually melt here, but it will wait until Saturday. 13 on target forecast. And we'll do this all over again, I think, starting late Sunday night and next Monday into Monday night, changing over to snow next Tuesday, and then dry weather, but a little bit cooler weather after that. Wave after wave after wave, storms and then snow, storms, snow, storms, snow.
Thank you, George.